Here's our panel. This is the one we'd have to come off of. There's a square D. So our panel's there, and right here is our unit where it would run. On the other side of this is the finished basement. So on that wall right there is where we're probably end up pulling our fresh air from, because right now there's a pretty bad humidity issue in this basement that he's trying to get resolved. We're going to look at a dehumidifier that has a fresh air opening on it all throughout the basement. It is completely sealed. A UV light also I'm going to talk to the client about.